Hi, I'm Mark Axelson, President of Well Prepared, where we specialize in products for disasters and emergencies. Today, we'd like to talk about using a gas mask. First of all, make sure you get the right mask. Start with that. You need to get a mask that has a CBA RCA rating, which is chemical blowing and riot control agents. And you need to make sure your mask has the NBC rating for nuclear, biological, and chemical agents. Make sure it's compatible with the 40 millimeter NATO threaded filter canisters. These tend to be the most popular and the most available canisters. Make sure that your filters are not expired, and get extras because most need to be replaced basically about after 24 hours of use. And practice at home. Have fun with your family practicing at home. It's not as easy to use these gas masks as the movies make it look. And why do you think that the military conduct training all the time? Because it's not that simple. If you only have a couple seconds to react, you want to be well versed in what to do. Many people have actually died by putting on the masks incorrectly or not knowing how to use it right because of panic under stress. When you're practicing, use the used canisters because the canisters, the filters, are actually most of the value of the gas mask. Next, we will have Joe explain how to store and properly don the gas mask.
Hi, Joe from Well Prepared. We're here today to show you how to use a gas mask. This is a military-grade gas mask. It's actually an Israeli version of the M15, which is by the U.S. military. One of the most important things to remember when dealing with your gas mask is to keep it prepared. A big thing about being prepared is knowing how to use it, practicing, but also having it stored properly so that you can quickly employ it and don your gas mask. The most important thing here is going to be that these straps are set so that they're not twisted and folded over. If they're twisted and folded over, it can be really hard to put your gas mask on quickly if you need to in an emergency. So to store your gas mask, you'll simply flip all the straps backwards and store it in a nature like this so that you can easily put it on your face and then pull the strap over. It's really easy to do if you have it stored properly. You may want to have a clean shave. A big important thing is to have at least amount of facial hair as you can around the sides of your face and the bottom of your chin where the mask is going to seal onto your face. If you have too much hair, it can actually stop the seal from occurring and then contaminants can get in through there. So try to keep a close shave if you can and keep your hair out of the way. I'm going to demonstrate how to don the gas mask. If it's properly stored, it's really easy just to place the gas mask directly on your face. You get a really good seal. You can actually feel it seal to your face. And then you'll reach over the top, pull the strap down over your face, and that's it. The last step is to place your hand over the bottom of the cartridge and blow out to make sure that you have a good seal. And kind of move your face around to make sure that there's no, like bent skin or anything folded up underneath that's later going to open up and let air come in. So I'm going to go ahead and don the gas mask, put it on my face, pull it over, and then blow it to clear the mask.